The Advance VU500 upright vacuums provide what you are looking for in a professional upright vacuum. Top-tier cleaning performance of carpets with vacuum exhaust air filtered to true HEPA standards. Ergonomic and easy-to-use superior operator comfort, and durable construction to stand up to high-use applications. The VU500 upright vacuums are designed with a single motor and are available in 12 and 15-inch cleaning paths. All VU500 models carry Carpet and Rug Institute's Silver Seal of Approval for performance and carpet protection assurance. The powerful brush and vacuum provide a high level of debris removal and carpet grooming for an excellent carpet appearance. The edge cleaning of the VU500 captures debris even from outside the cleaning path of the machine to effectively clean right up to walls. Cleaning flexibility is provided by the standard wand assembly and crevice cleaning tool. The unique design, soft-tipped crevice tool can be shaped to the area being cleaned and will not chip if dropped. To prevent the crevice tool from getting lost, it is stored and protected behind the vacuum wand. There's even a space for a spare vacuum bag for convenience while cleaning. The VU500 design uses 3 levels of filtration with a true HEPA filter as the final filter of the airflow. The first stage is an easy-to-replace vacuum bag. Since a vacuum's debris pickup is based upon high airflow, each time you replace the vacuum bag, it is like putting in a new set of lungs in the machine to assure optimal airflow and maximum cleaning performance. The second stage filter protects the most expensive part of your machine, the motor. If debris gets past the vacuum bag, this second filter will protect the motor. The third and final stage is a true HEPA filter, that is, the last filter air passes through in the filtration path. Each HEPA filter is independently tested to assure conformance to HEPA 13 efficiency requirements of 99.9% capture of particles 0.3 to 1.0 microns in size. This assures that you are also removing debris that you don't see but want out of your air, like bacteria, viruses, pet dander, and allergens for a healthier indoor air quality. Operator comfort and convenience are paramount in the design of the VU500 family of vacuums, starting with lifting the vacuum on and off the cleaning cart with a sturdy, large handle on the front of the machine. The power cord management cord clip is a feature operators love since it greatly reduces the hassle of cord wrapping, and once the cord is wrapped, it stays in place on the machine. The handle is height adjustable, lightweight, and has an enclosed end design for lower required grip strength, making it less fatiguing than other vacuums. The VU500 floating head design addresses changing carpet styles and pile heights perfectly without the operator needing to adjust the brush height. A pivot caster provides a lighter, less fatiguing feel for operators. The quiet 68 decibel sound level of the VU500 is easy on the operator's ears and prevents annoyance for those nearby. An unreliable vacuum platform can cause more issues than benefits. That is why the VU500 line is designed to stand up to long hours of tough vacuum applications. Demonstrated reliability features include clutch system that protects the vacuum belt if and when material gets caught up in the vacuum brush. Sturdy handle and body design to avoid downtime. Cord restraint system prevents cord damage, and you can replace a damaged cord by simply plugging in a new cord. Unclogging simplicity with no tools removable brush. Hose cleanout access. Removable hose and wand. The restricted airflow indication light will turn on and notify the operator of reduced cleaning performance due to reduced airflow, so the operator can take action. If the airflow becomes completely obstructed, putting the vacuum motor at risk of overheating, a mechanical airflow bypass will open up, allowing cooling air to protect the motor until the clog is identified and removed. In addition, Advance stands behind their vacuums with a 3-year parts warranty and a dealer network to answer your questions, make recommendations, and meet your spare parts and service needs. The Advance VU500 upright vacuum is a solution that will have your carpets looking great, your operators comfortable and happy, and your operations budget in line.